If you're tired of juggling different cables for your devices, the USB-Type-C Cable 3-pack offers a versatile solution that fits a wide range of gadgets. Whether you own a Samsung Galaxy Note20 Ultra, an iPad Pro 2021, or a Nintendo Switch, these cables have you covered with universal compatibility that simplifies your charging and data needs. What sets this 3-pack apart is its broad device support. It works seamlessly with popular models like Samsung's S21 and S10 series, LG's G7 and V50, Motorola's Razr 2019, and even the PS5 DualSense controller. Plus, it's compatible with other Type-C devices from brands like Google Pixel, Sony, and OnePlus, making it a smart choice for anyone with multiple gadgets. Speed matters when charging and transferring data. These USB Type-C cables support Quick Charge 3.0 and 2.0, delivering up to 3 amps of power. That means your devices charge faster without the risk of overheating or damage. It also supports Samsung's adaptive fast charging and Huawei's fast charging protocol, ensuring you get optimal charging performance no matter your device. Fast charging is just the start. The cables also offer high-speed data transmission, thanks to triple shielding that reduces interference. You can transfer HD files quickly and reliably with speeds up to 480 megabits per second. This makes syncing photos, videos, or documents between your phone and computer a breeze. Safety is a priority here. Each cable includes a built-in 56 kilo ohms resistor, which prevents overcurrent and overvoltage issues. This feature protects your devices from potential damage during charging, giving you peace of mind every time you plug in. Durability is another highlight. The 3-pack includes cables of different lengths, 6 feet, 3 feet, and 1.5 feet, so you can choose the perfect fit for any situation. Whether you're at your desk, in the car, or on the go, these cables stay flexible and reliable. They're designed to withstand over 10,000 bends, extending their lifespan well beyond typical cables. The variety in length also means less clutter and more convenience. Longer cables give you freedom to move while charging, and shorter ones are ideal for tight spaces or power banks. This flexibility makes the pack suitable for home, office, or travel use. Customers in the United States have praised these cables for their performance. Many highlight the fast charging speeds and reliable connections. While some wish for more color options, the quality and functionality remain the main reasons users keep coming back. If you're looking for cables that combine speed, safety, and durability, this USB Type-C 3-pack is worth a look. It covers all the bases for modern devices, letting you charge quickly and transfer data without hassle. The built-in safety features mean you won't have to worry about damaging your expensive phones or tablets. Plus, the variety of lengths ensures you have the right cable for every setup, whether it's your home office or a quick charge in the car. What you get is a reliable, fast charging solution that fits snugly with your devices. The sturdy design and triple shielding make these cables stand out in a crowded market, offering real value for everyday tech users. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your charging game. These cables deliver consistent performance, backed by positive reviews and proven compatibility with top devices. They're a simple way to keep your gadgets powered and connected without fuss. In summary, the USB Type-C Cable 3-pack combines fast charging, high-speed data transfer, and durable construction into one convenient package. Its wide compatibility means it works with everything from Samsung phones to gaming controllers and tablets. This pack is designed for people who want dependable cables that last and perform. With lengths tailored to different needs and built-in safety features, it's a practical choice for anyone serious about their tech accessories. Worth a look if you need reliable cables that won't slow you down. Whether you're charging, syncing, or gaming, these cables keep you connected smoothly and safely. Don't settle for slow charging or fragile cables. Upgrade to this 3-pack and experience faster power-ups, stable data transfers, and long-lasting durability that matches your busy lifestyle. If that's you, someone who values efficiency and quality, this USB Type-C cable 3-pack fits perfectly into your daily routine. It's a straightforward way to improve how you charge and connect your devices. Make the switch today and enjoy the convenience of fast, safe charging and quick data transfer across all your favorite gadgets.